What's up guys? Today we're checking out the Infinix Note 40 series special limited racing edition. Okay, so today we're just going to be unboxing this, seeing what sort of goodies we have inside, and I can't wait to check this out, so let's go. Quite a heavy box as well, so there's a lot in here. Alright, so open the lid. Alright, so let's see what we got inside. X-Watch 3 WE. We've got the Note 40 series right here. X-Buds 3 WE. And we've got a box that says Mag Power on it, so I can't wait to see what's in there. We've got a bottom drawer which opens up, and you can see we've got more goodies in here. Wow. A pair of sunglasses in a nice attractive case. So classic Wayfarer styles. I'll wear it and show you what they look like. So I don't want to waste any more time because I want to see what this phone is like. So here is the phone. We've got Note 40 Pro Plus 5G, and you can see some of the specifications on the back. And I'll read them out to you in a bit, but let's have a look at the phone first of all. All-round fast charge 2.0. Open this up. We've got a tempered glass screen protector, some paperwork. Interesting, we've got some stickers. Here is a case, and it is MagSafe compatible, and we've got a nice leather-like finish on it. So here it is guys. The Note 40 Pro Plus 5G, 100 watt all-round charging. Oh wow, that is slick. Oh, look at that gorgeous finish on the back. Very slim and attractive smartphone. It's 7.91 millimeters in thickness, and it weighs only 190 grams. You can see on the back there, triple cameras with 108 megapixel primary, 5000 milliamp hour cell. You've got a nice large camera bump. You can see it protrudes slightly, and the camera bump design is made from metal. And the back is also finished in this beautiful silver color. So this comes with a 100 watt charger included in the box. And of course you've got your charging cable as well inside there. While we're here, check out the phone case. It's a MagSafe compatible phone case. Fits perfectly, of course. You can stick the wallet on the back for your cards, etc. Let me quickly show you what you get inside the rest of the boxes, and then we have a closer look at the phone. We've got a box called Mag Power. Let's open it up. Okay, it's a MagSafe compatible power bank, so you can just stick it on the back of your phone, and your phone will immediately start charging. While it's charging, you can see we've got this really funky LED light on the back. Very interesting indeed. Alright, so these are the Infinix X-Buds 3 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. So you can see the logo on the front. It says Infinix Racing Design. Earbuds, closer look, AirPod style design. We'll certainly test these out later. And a subject that I am quite fond of, smartwatches. So this one is the Infinix X-Watch 3. Wow, check that out. If you're a BMW sports racing fan, you're going to love this design. And the Infinix Watch 3, looking at the front of the watch, it reminds me of the Huawei watches. So it's loading up, and the Infinix logo. So smartwatch has been paired up. That's the default watch face. Pretty standard interface. Multifunctional smartwatch with an interesting design. And what I'm most excited about is the smartphone itself. So we have on the front a 6.78 inch AMOLED display. That's 120Hz refresh, Full HD plus resolution. You've got up to 1300 nits of peak brightness, which is pretty decent, with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage based on UFS 2.2. The OS is Android 14, and you can see we've got an interesting PUBG skin pre-installed on top. So triple cameras on the back with 108 megapixel primary sensor. Also, there is a 5000 milliamp hour battery built in. We've got dual speakers by JBL. So quick look at the ports. We've got SIM tray, microphone, Type-C port, and a speaker grill. On the side, volume rocker and power button. Up on top, we've got another speaker grill, and this appears to have an IR blaster, which is quite useful. And on this side, there is nothing. So super slim and light, really nice, beautiful design. Quick look at the camera menus. We've got film mode, where you can select some presets and create a movie-like video. Then we've got video mode itself, and I'll let you know what the maximum resolution is. So you can see maximum resolution with the rear cameras is 2K resolution at 50 FPS. If I flip to the front screen, maximum resolution is also 2K. We've got AI cam, portrait mode, super night mode, and under more you have a few other options to play with, including pro mode, short video, and so on and so forth. So there you have it, guys. That was my quick look unboxing of the Infinix Note 40 series Super Limited Racing Edition. I love BMW racing design. I love the trifecta. I love the colors. A really nice put together VIP package. Big thanks to Team Infinix for sending this over so I can share this with you guys. Meanwhile, for more of the latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.